It's Tuesday. We're out running with the boys. Got some stuff to get sharp. Man, this thing's huge. I know. There it is. Wheels make everything easier. Modern problems require modern solutions. On our way to the south side with those paper cutters, drop those off, then we'll go find coffee number 2 for the day. Got my co-pilot with me. Making it happen. Hi. This thing is enormous. Lift with your knees. Hurt. Oh. Safety third. Being a dad, business owner, you have to improvise sometimes.
I was gonna try and like put some purples in there and some violets and sort of just kind of make it more, bring up saturation a little bit more.
Thanks, buddy. Got our cold brew. Now I gotta get this baby back for a nap because he is tired. Hit up Target for the most important part of the day.